Hello friends, my name is Miss Bailey and welcome back to this week's STEAM activity. I am so excited for our activity because we will be making salt and flour fossils. Now, you may be looking at this and thinking, oh my gosh, that looks like a sugar cookie. It is not a sugar cookie. This is a mixture of flour, salt, and water. So in your take-home kits, you should have a bag of salt, 2 bags of flour, and a little dinosaur figurine. I'm not sure what dinosaur this is, but he is pretty cute. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So from home, you'll want to grab a large bowl. Unfortunately, I don't have one here with me, so I'm going to be using this plastic container. So I'm going to take my 2 bags of flour. So each bag should measure out to about 2 cups of flour. So I'm going to dump this into my bowl. Okay, so I have my flour in my bowl, and next I'm going to add my salt, and I have about ½ a cup of salt right here in this bag. Okay, and now it's time to add some warm water to our bowl. I have ½ a cup of warm water right here, so I'm going to go ahead and add it. Okay, so now that our water is in the bowl, it's time to mix everything together. I don't have a large spoon, so I'm going to be using this spreader. Okay, so now you should have this almost crummy, doughy like material. Now you're going to start forming some balls with your hands. Okay, so I have about 5 different, I'm going to call them dough balls here, and now I'm going to firmly press down on them with my hand to flatten it almost like a pancake. Okay, so I have all my dough balls flattened, and now I'm going to take my little dinosaur figurine and firmly place them on the dough to make an imprint. Okay, so here is what one of my fossils looks like. It almost looks like the real thing. So for this next step, I won't be able to do it here at the library, but you are welcome to continue at home. You'll want to grab a baking sheet and spray it down with cooking oil and place your fossils on the baking sheet and preheat your oven to about 210 degrees and pop them in the oven for about 20 minutes. And when you take them out, you will have these rock solid fossils. Alrighty, so take-home kits will be available inside the kids' room, and remember, please grab them because they go fast. Alrighty, well thank you everyone for joining me, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!